CRM or Customer Relationship Management, ito yung website or app kung saan nandun lahat ng information ng clients ninyo or ng customers ng clients ninyo or yung prospects ng clients ninyo. So if you have call center experience, yung place kung saan nandun yung name, phone number, email address, previous call issues, lahat nandun. Yung mga CRMs na lumalabas ngayon, for the most part, meron na rin silang access, bukod sa mag-email at mag-text, meron na silang access to call. Pwede mo na ding i-integrate doon yung iba't ibang uri ng apps na ginagamit mo outside of your CRM. For example, Salesforce, HubSpot, madami eh. Depende kasi sa need ng client kung ano yung mas tailor-fit na CRM na gagamitin nila. Like for example, ngayon yung mga real estate agents, they use a Follow-Up Boss. However, si Follow-Up Boss hindi nag-i-integrate kay Skyslope. So you have to just put in a link there to mahirap ipaliwanag yun. But ganun siya. Go High Level is one of the top-rated CRM na ginagamit ngayon ng iba't ibang clients, most especially digital marketing agencies and B2Bs. Ang ginagawa nila, wina-white label nila yun nga yung nabanggit ko yung Follow-Up Boss is a white label of Go High Level. Tapos in-offer nila yung software na ini-white label nila as form of a service. Doon pumapasok si SaaS. Yun ay SaaS or Software as Service. Meaning, after nilang i-white label si Go High Level, ibebenta nila yon sa iba't ibang industries. For example, mortgage reps, real estate agents, and then ang mangyayari is gagamitin nung industry na yun, yung software nila to service their clients. This is a little bit more complicated. Hindi siya kayang ipaliwanag in just one video. But if you guys have any question about this 3, comment nyo na lang sila. Also, comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!